Hi guys, it is the problem of the 2012. Actually, it's not the 2012. Some of the vehicle, especially this Dodge Caravan and Chrysler Town and Country, if you heard look like a grinding sound under to your chassis or engine or close to your wheel, try to figure out first this flexible pipe after the catalytic converter, because my vehicle, I spend a lot of money to figure out and replace some parts, rotor, brake, axle shaft, but the problem is still there. Now I bring the vehicle to the dealership, and the dealership said maybe the problem of your vehicle is that flexible pipe. It's not 100%, but maybe. Now I took my vehicle and I tried to figure out my own style. I put my iPhone 4 and tape it close to the exhaust flexible pipe, and now I drive my vehicle and I figure out and I saw the exact problem. Yes, the problem is the flexible pipe, but the mechanic, he said not 100%, but me, after I watch this video, 100% the problem is done. Okay, try to watch my video. Thank you.